Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I, Miss Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic of chapter 13. Today we will discuss that how can we represent the given data as a line graph. Okay. Now, first of all, let us see what is line graph. A line graph is another graphical method of representing data that changes with time, or we can say a line connecting the points on a graph which represents certain data is called a line graph, and it shows change in value over time. Here we have one bar graph and one line graph, and we have already discussed about bar graph. In the case of bar graph, we use bars of equal width to represent the given data. And in the case of line graph, the data is represented as the points, and we join these points with the line, okay, to show the given data. And like bar graph, in line graph also beta, we have four most important things. First is title, okay, and second is scale, okay. फर्स्ट इज टाइटल. टाइटल में क्या होगा कि जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो किसके बारे में है, ठीक है, वो हमें राइट करना है. एंड सेकेंड इज स्केल along y-axis. And where is y-axis? Yes, here. This vertical line is called y-axis and this horizontal line is called x-axis. Okay. And third most important thing is label on x-axis, that what we have taken on y-axis, and next is means fourth important thing is label on y-axis, that what we have taken on y-axis. So here you can see, here I have written grade. So on x-axis we have taken grade, okay, and on y-axis we have taken marks obtained. And space between units should be same. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो बेटा, हेयर फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स सेवंथ एट्थ, ओके, हेयर वी हैव 8 ग्रेड्स एंड जो स्पेस है वो क्या है, बिल्कुल सेम. और ऐसे ही जो स्पेस है ऑन वाई एक्सिस ये भी बिल्कुल क्या होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल सेम, ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन वी रीड दिस लाइन ग्राफ then we can say that in first grade marks are obtained 100 and in second grade marks are obtained 90, okay, and in third grade 90 marks are obtained. In fourth, here you can see in fourth 80 marks are obtained, okay, and in fifth grade how many marks? Yes, 90 marks are obtained, okay, and in sixth here 60 marks are obtained, okay, and in seventh grade here you can see, and here 80 marks, okay, and in eighth grade how many marks are obtained? Yes, here you can see this dot is between 90 and 100. It means 95 marks are obtained in 8th grade. Okay, so in first grade maximum marks are obtained, and in 6th, okay, in 6th grade minimum marks are obtained, okay, and in these all are same. So in we can say in second, third and in fifth grade, second, third and fifth grade marks are obtained equal. Now students, let us take one example to understand that how can we draw a line graph. The table given below shows the total number of animals in a zoo. Draw a line graph for the given data. So here we have a table and it shows years and number of animals in a zoo. In the year 2012, there were 200 animals. In 2013, there were 300 animals, and in 2014, there were 500 animals, and in 2015, there were 700 animals. In 2016, there were 400 animals. Okay. We have this table and we have to draw a line graph. So let us see how can we draw a line graph. So beta, first of all, we have to draw two lines. Okay. First is like this. We have to draw lines. This horizontal line and this vertical line. And you know, horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. Now we have to take a title for this line graph. And we know in this table, the total number of animals in a zoo shows. Okay. So what will be the title? Yes, animals in a zoo. We can take as title for this line graph. And now second important thing is scale. Okay. So what is the scale beta? Scale हमें किसके अकॉर्डिंग लेना है? जो हमारा डेटा है, गिवन डेटा है, ठीक है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हमें स्केल का चूज करना है. So here we have 200, 300, 500, 700, 400. If we take 1 unit is equal to 100 animals, then we can represent this data in this line graph very easily. But if here we have 20, 30, 50, 70, 40, then we cannot take this scale. Okay, we cannot use this scale. Okay, then तब हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? 1 unit is equal to 10 animals. Okay, if we have 20, 30, 50, 70, 40 like this data, then we will use this scale. Okay, 1 unit is equal to 10 animals. And if we have 2000, 3000, 5000, 7000, 4000 like this data, then we cannot use this scale, because by using this we cannot represent the given data easily. Okay, so then we will use 1 unit is equal to 1000 animals. Okay, so जो given data है उसके according ही हमें scale का use करना है. So here we can take 1 unit is equal to 100 animals, and on y-axis and on x-axis जो units है बेटा उनका जो gap है, ठीक है, वो भी क्या होना चाहिए? Same. So here I have already taken equal spacing. Here you can see. Okay. Now third important thing is the label on x-axis, and fourth is the label on the y-axis. कि जो x-axis है उसके ऊपर हमने क्या लिया है? Okay. What we have taken on x-axis and what we have taken on y-axis. So here we have taken years and here we have taken number of animals. Okay. Now we have to draw our line graph. Now we have to put points. Okay. Because in the case of line graph, the data is represented as the points, and then we join these points with line. So here in the year 2012, there were 200 animals. So here on x-axis we have years. So here in 2012, how many animals were there? 200. So here 100, 200. So here we have to put point. Okay, this point shows 200 animals in the year 2012. Now comes next 2013, and there were 300 animals. So here we have to put dot. Okay, this point shows 300 animals in the year 2013. Next is 2014. And how many animals are there? Yes, 500 animals are there. Okay, this point shows 500 animals in the year 2014. Now next year is 2015 and here 700 animals. So in the year 2015 700 animals are there. So here we have to put dot. We have to put point. Now 2016. In the year 2016 there were 400 animals. Okay. 2016 only 400 animals. Okay, now what we will do? Yes, beta. Now we have to join these points like this. So it's our line graph. Okay, and it shows the number of animals in a zoo. Okay, जो जू में एनिमल्स थे in the year 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016. इन ईयर्स में जो एनिमल्स थे जू के अंदर उनको शो करता है. ठीक है. एंड हियर यू कैन सी हियर इन द ईयर 2015 यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि सबसे ज्यादा जो एनिमल्स थे वो कब थे? 2015 में, है ना. और सबसे कम किस में है? 2012 में. ओके, हियर ओनली 200 एनिमल्स. उसके बाद जो है नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स क्या हो रहे हैं? इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है. ओके, बट आफ्टर 2015 अगेन जो नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स है बेटा वो डिक्रीज हो गई है. ठीक है. अगेन यहाँ पे कितना हो गया है? ओनली 400 एनिमल्स. So like this we have to draw a line graph.